Alright, hey everybody, how y'all doing? This is my JBM on YouTube. Jack to my friends. I just want to talk to you guys today a little about a subject that seems to be drawing a lot of controversy and something I am quite passionate about. But we're going to take a little bit of a detour and we're going to talk about a tangent of that. And what we're going to focus today on is a lesson in critical thinking, something that seems to be lost today. So, our subject matter today is clouds. So what do we know about clouds? Everyone tells us that clouds are water vapor, right? They're all up there in the sky, just water vapor that comes together and hangs out like fluffy cotton, okay? Well, there's a couple of things that we know that can't be disputed. Number one, if you fly through a cloud, you get wet. Like soaking wet. Number two, the clouds way up in the sky, when they get humongous and swollen and dark with water, how heavy has that got to be? I mean, really, how heavy does that cloud have to be when it's that full of water? So, when we think about that, all of a sudden the dependencies of the globe get shattered. Magical gravity doesn't pull the clouds down, even though they must weigh tons. Water vapor does not stay water vapor for very long. Once it comes together, it becomes water. I mean, we know this. We can experiment and we can do this on our own in the yard any day of the week. A simple test to that is to get a sponge, just a little sponge, soak it with water, put it out in the sun, and then put a glass or something, clear bowl, whatever, over it, and watch what happens. Well, what happens? What we see is condensation form on the inside of the glass. Then we see little tiny drops appear, and then we see bigger drops, and then drops run down the sides. We don't see clouds form inside the glass. We don't see fog happen. It just doesn't happen. So that tells us that it's not true. What we're told is not true. So I'm going to introduce you to clouds as a dependency of flat Earth. So, if the Earth is flat, if the sun and the moon are 3 to 5 kilometers above us, inside the dome, then the clouds must be in proximity to the sun and the moon. And we can observe this every day. Every single day we can go outside, day or night, and we can see the moon or the sun interacting in close proximity to the clouds. We can even see the sun inside masses of clouds. Sorry, I gotta get over here. Excuse me. We can see the clouds all around the sun, okay? So just a little bit of thinking there. If the clouds are right there with the sun, how hot's the sun again? Pretty damn hot, right? Like, pretty hot. So if it gets pretty hot in close proximity to the sun, and if the clouds are water vapor, then why do they not evaporate? Critical Thinking 101. Come on, people. The clouds are supernaturally created, just like the sun and the moon. Just like our flat domed Earth. It's just that simple. And then you've got those naysayers. Come on, I hear you out there. You're going, yeah, well, come on, dummy. It's really cold up there where the clouds are. And that makes a difference how? Does that mean to say that if I'm on the beach and it's cold outside and there's a bonfire on the beach, does that mean if I'm standing near the fire, I'm not going to feel the heat? Come on. We know that's not true. So, just a little tidbit today for you to think about. Do some research. Earth is flat. The horizon shows us. The sun and the moon, right here where it looks like it is. Earth's flat. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.